Happy Thursday. Today is May 16th of 2019, and this is a private Bitcoin cryptocurrency index update for my subscribers. Well, with all of the excitement, I decided to do another private video rather than a written update. There are many things I wish to cover today, and I thought it would be easier to show within a video than to put it on paper. Okay, so let's get started. In today's update, I will discuss Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Digibyte, Theta, and for Bitcoin, expected price targets into our cycle high point for May 20th, this coming Monday. Okay, so let's get started. Recall our channel, which is here laid out in pink. We have a low point in late March and the same thing here in late April. I have laid out this channel in all of our charts, so this will give us a little bit or a lot more clarity as to what is expected with regards to price and direction. This being the cycle low point, we have a channel, and you'll see that the top, if I pull the channel down, we can bring it up, and you'll notice right at this touch point here for a high, see why Bitcoin stopped here at $7,400, okay? We pull it up higher, and you'll also see why Bitcoin stopped here just under $8,000. The point is, this is like a magnet, and you'll notice right now, we were today expecting Bitcoin per cycle to drop. Well, if you watch today, Bitcoin dropped exactly as expected. Now today, just to kind of give you a heads up, I did add to my position today for Bitcoin for my leveraged position. Today's pullback to me was a very important entry, so I did add positions just a few minutes ago. Now today, this is the candlestick, the red candlestick we are looking for. I want to show you how important this red candlestick is, comparing it to Litecoin. This chart here, we're going to compare to Litecoin. Now, please remember our prior videos where we discussed this bottleneck of how a bottleneck is formed, and then when the top of the bottleneck breaks, the coin would explode vertical. Well, that is exactly what Bitcoin did because it is the leading coin. So it broke vertical, and look what it did. It shot up, broke through the 600-day moving average, came back and tested it, came back up, give us a red candlestick, and guess what happened the next day? Straight vertical again on May 13th. This 600-day moving average is actually rather critical and important. Why? Let's go look at Litecoin. Check this out. You will see. Guess what Litecoin broke yesterday? The 600-day moving average. Guess where Litecoin is closing today, because the markets will close in about an hour. So this candlestick will be finished in about an hour. It's closing on the 600-day moving average, just like Bitcoin, except Bitcoin is leading, Litecoin is following. So let's scroll back here again. Look at Bitcoin. You'll see what it did. It broke out of the bottleneck, went vertical, went through the 600-day moving average, came back and retested the breakout, and then went vertical. Now, if we look at Litecoin, same exact thing. You got a bottleneck. It broke out of the bottleneck right here, 475-day moving average. This is the line, the red line that stopped it in April, busted through it, and look where it went yesterday. Straight up to the 600-day. Came down today as expected and closing right around the 600-day moving average. So guess what Litecoin's going to do tomorrow? Let's look at Bitcoin. Straight up. Okay, so we have an up cycle for the cryptocurrencies beginning tomorrow into the weekend and into the 20th. Okay, and then looking at price targets, same thing. We got the channel. Our minimum target here is $120 range for Litecoin. And if you look at Bitcoin, you see what it does. It goes through it and comes back and retests. This zone here, top of the channel, looking at Litecoin, comes in around $120. So we should easily expect this in the next few trading days. Now, next, let's look over to Bitcoin Cash. And Bitcoin Cash, look what it did. It broke the bottleneck. Here's the top. There is a bottom, broke the bottleneck, went vertical. It doesn't have the 600-day line, it has a 350-day line. So it busted through it, came back, and it's dancing on the 350-day moving line, and it's about to go vertical with Litecoin and Bitcoin. Target is $640 from where it currently trades, and so that would be about a 63% move, and Litecoin from current levels would be approximately a 26% move. So Bitcoin Cash will outperform percentage-wise Litecoin into this coming move. Also, you'll notice here, I did a little math. Bitcoin Cash is up 411% as of today, roughly, from the December low, while Litecoin is up 316% from the December low. Litecoin's doing great. Heck, it's up 300% from the low. However, Bitcoin Cash is up 411%. So basically, it's up fourfold from its low. So in other words, it is outperforming Bitcoin and outperforming Litecoin. So please be sure you do have some Bitcoin Cash, just because it's going to be a very, very strong coin here. And I expect Litecoin to be doing incredible, but obviously Bitcoin Cash is outperforming Bitcoin and even Litecoin, and I would expect this to continue the rest of the years. Again, a great coin to be holding, Bitcoin Cash. Looks like it's going to be a big winner, and as I'm speaking, you'll see what it's doing here. Its candlestick is coming up, and it's actually closing right above the 350-day moving average. So by the close today, it might go green or even stay a little bit red, but bottom line is it's going to close above that 350-day moving average, and then we're off to the races. Head up, looking at near $640 for its next target. Big move coming here for Bitcoin Cash. Next, let's look over at price targets. This is rather amazing how these forks work, but you'll see that right now we're sitting right here. So the next target, so from the low, it's come up, Bitcoin's come up, currently trading at $7,929 as this little red candlestick. And its next target, when it breaks this blue zone, the next target is $9,995. So just under $10,000. And if it breaks that, which I believe it could go straight to $12,000 here by this coming Monday. Again, crazy or not, I don't know in terms of price. All I know is that the cycle is up for the next few trading days. So if the cycle's up and it breaks this first channel here, it's at least going to $10,000. If it breaks 10,000, well then it's probably going to go straight to 12. So if it breaks 10,000, it's highly likely it's going straight to 12,000. Next, let's talk about Bitcoin Cash price in Bitcoin, and check this out. So here's the flag. Guess what you're seeing right here? It's breaking out of the flag. So now we have pull, flag, and pull coming. So Bitcoin Cash is about to have a big move. It's just broken out of the flag relative to Bitcoin. So this is its price relative to Bitcoin, and it's now ready to outperform Bitcoin with a big move vertical in the next few trading days. Digibyte is right here, and you'll see Digibyte. So yesterday, Digibyte had an awesome move. It took off vertical, and it hit our 270-day moving average. Its target is here easily at 0.017, and you'll notice by the close today, don't be surprised if right now it's trading here. I think it's going to come up close right in the middle channel probably by the close today, come up a tiny bit more, and you'll notice how beautiful this 55 and the 20 EMA line stopped it on a drop today. So it broke out, came back and retested. Remember, it breaks out, it comes back and retests the breakout, and then it takes off vertical. So Digibyte is getting ready to take off vertical since it's broken out, retested, and it's going to take out this 270-day moving average and this channel pretty quickly, and then it's going to really take off. So it's going to move rather aggressively, I believe. Next, Theta, same thing with Theta. You'll see it busted out past couple of days. It's now above the 55 EMA line. It's above the 20 and above the 120-day simple moving average. The point is, it's broken its flag, okay? So the flag is broken. Now we're looking for pole 2. It will have resistance probably at this middle channel, and then it's going to go vertical again. It's getting ready to move also. This coin seems to just explode like Digibyte as well. Really nice reversal today. Got a red candlestick. We were looking for it, and it's coming back up. And so Theta is expected to have a really strong move in the very, very near future. Okay, so let's scroll lastly right back over to Bitcoin, and you'll see just a tiny bit more, and it'll close right back above the flag, getting ready to go vertical. Really exciting times ahead here. I think everybody is going to be absolutely shocked if Bitcoin spikes this weekend or into Monday to $12,000. So we will see if it happens. We're prepared for it. All the charts I showed you are highly bullish. They're all pointing to upwards price direction, and they're all looking incredibly wonderful. One last thing before I go, I've received several emails from subscribers asking what to do at a cycle high. Please go to our latest update dated May 14th, page 3. The area which I'm highlighting here is in yellow, titled How to Safely Store Your US Dollar While Waiting for a Re-Entry Point. Be well, God bless, and we'll talk soon.